Hey guys, welcome back. So this is day 3. I'm actually leaving today, so I just want to give you guys an overview. It is raining out here today. I brought the four-wheeler up here, and the must have spooked up a doe. I saw her just run off, so that's pretty cool. So obviously there's deer in this area. I think there's a bedding area over there in the ferns. I don't know if that's going to remain a bedding area, but just want to give you guys an idea of what this place looks like after I did a ton of work to it. So the entrance is on this side. As you can see, I did some brush. Let me put this around a little bit. There you go, I did some brush. I'll put more brush up, but I'm not trying to get too crazy with it. I want it kind of air out. And then what I'm also doing today is going to put a tarp on the top, just to get that plastic smell out of it. And I'm going to put up some trail cams. I finished putting up trail cams, so I went to Wally World yesterday, and I got some got an 8x10 tarp, and then bungee cords. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. That's fine. We'll sort that out. But basically what I'm doing is I'm going to try it out, 8x10. If it doesn't work, we'll probably go to some type of hard plastic or hard sheet metal, just for the rafters. The rafters are set up like every 6 inches with some wire and some nails. Alright, this is not meant to be super covert. It's meant, when we have children over here, it's not as bad, to give them a little bit of, dryness, quiet, roof over their head. And I'm going to put up some plastic sheeting. I got some plastic garbage bags that I'm going to put around the sides here, just to not only block sound or visuals, but mostly to block the cold, because it does get very cold up here. So that's it. Let me get at it. Alright guys, so that's about it. So I lined the inside with a little bit of black garbage bags using a staple gun. Keeps the visual out, also keeps the wind out when it gets cold. Up top, you can see that. I'm just hanging my camo tarp. Got a couple bungees. Again, wouldn't worry too much about rattling or anything like that. Just want to make it tight. And also, if the tarp runs out, it's just a quick run to Home Depot or whatever and just re-bungee it up. But I want to make sure that it's set, ready to go. And then this way, the deer get used to it. Again, nice little spot in the woods, nice and quiet. Alright, now I don't have to sit in the rain all day. Nice little hooch.